What is thematic investing? Thematic investing is a strategy where you put money into companies or sectors that fit a particular theme or trend, rather than just looking at size, industry, or geography. A theme could be anything from renewable energy, artificial intelligence, and electric vehicles, to aging populations or digital payments. The idea is to invest in companies that are likely to benefit as a particular trend grows over time. Why does it matter? It matters because thematic investing allows you to align your portfolio with big ideas you believe in. Instead of picking individual stocks at random, you focus on trends that could shape the future. This can make investing feel more exciting and meaningful, as you're backing industries or innovations you think have long-term potential. Thematic investing also helps investors spot opportunities that might not be obvious when looking at traditional categories like large cap or small cap. Many themes are global, so investing across countries can help capture growth wherever it happens. For example, a theme like renewable energy might include companies in Europe, the US, and Asia, all benefiting from the same global trend. Thematic investing can also overlap with ESG or socially responsible investing if the theme aligns with sustainability or ethics. Here's a simple example. Imagine you're interested in the electric vehicle market. Instead of buying a single car company, thematic investing lets you buy a fund or basket of stocks connected to EV. This could include the car makers themselves, battery manufacturers, and charging network providers. If the EV market grows as expected, all of these companies could benefit, helping your investment ride the wave of the trend rather than depending on just one company's success. What else should you know? Thematic investing comes with risks. Trends can take longer to develop than expected, or new technology and competitors can disrupt the market. Unlike diversified index investing, thematic portfolios are concentrated in a specific area, which can make them more volatile. It's also important to distinguish between a genuine long-term trend and a short-lived hype theme. Just because something is popular in the media doesn't mean it will translate into sustainable growth. Many themes take years or even decades to fully play out, so patience is key. Costs are another consideration. Thematic funds sometimes have higher management fees than broad index funds, which can affect returns over time. For beginners, thematic investing is often easier through thematic funds, which spread money across multiple companies within the theme, reducing the risk of betting on a single company failing. Finally, while thematic investing can feel modern and exciting, it should usually be part of a broader, diversified strategy rather than the entire portfolio. To sum it all up, thematic investing is about focusing on big trends or ideas you believe will shape the future, investing in companies positioned to benefit from them. It can be exciting and potentially rewarding, but it carries higher risk and requires patience. Combining thematic investing with other, more diversified strategies can help balance potential growth with stability. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.